So I just moved into this new home and I got a 3-prong already wired into the Samsung electric dryer. But the plug that I need to get it into is a 4-prong. So I went to Walmart. And this cable for the 4-prong was like 20 bucks. So there it is. It's got the 4 contacts there on the plug. So I'm going to show you how to wire it in. Let's get started. What's that, Reggie? You going to help me fix it? So it shows right here how you go to wire up a 3 and wire up a 4. There's a panel that you open to access this here. So before you start, make sure that you have everything unplugged and de-energized. It should be, since you got the wrong plug and you're watching this video. So let's get that access panel off. Okay, so to get this panel off, the whole thing slides up like the arrow shows. So, up, and then pivots out, hinges out, pulls off. So there's your electrical cord. Okay, so let's remove the old cord. So here's the wiring instructions that came with the cable. Your black is hot, green is ground, white is neutral, and your red is hot. And there's the wiring instructions that are with the actual dryer. And the main concern with that cable is what is ground and what is neutral. As far as how we're wiring it, the red and black are the hots, or the L1s or L2s. Line 1, line 2. Anyway. Alright, let's go ahead and wire it up. So the way we're going to wire it up is to connect the, we're going to take this off, then it's going to go to this center post, and then we're going to go red, and then neutral will be white, and then black for the far right one, and then the green wire goes here where this one is. So let's go ahead and fish our cable up through it. Put a little hook in them so they'll fish through a little easier. Kind of so they'll bend back towards me. Try not to, drag them along the edges. This one's guarded by tape, so it won't scratch the insulation, but the other edges, the top one's guarded by tape also. Okay, so we got wires up in there. Go ahead and remove this. All right, now I'm going to take the green wire from the cable and secure it to where that ground strap was. All right, next thing we're going to do is the red wire. So it also comes with this cable harness that you install right here. You need to give your cable a little extra slack in there. Alright, it is all plugged back in and the exhaust tube is on, so let's go ahead and try it out. Awesome. Looks good. Thanks for watching.